Oh, hi guys, I'm your girl Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and today I will be doing another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Today I will be doing barbecue chicken. Come along with me as I take you on this authentic Jamaican cooking experience. Welcome, family and friends, to my kitchen. I have 10 pounds of chicken that has been washed, clean, and sectioned in the pot with sour orange. On the stove, it's just to get the water a little bit warmer than I get it from the tap to finish cleaning my chicken. Now, guys, you can boil the water from the kettle to pour over, rinse your chicken thoroughly with fresh water, and it's time to season. Guys, I have two different types of blended season here. I have a green blended season and red bell pepper blended season with tomato. I have a tablespoon of blended pepper. I have all-purpose season. I'm just putting a generous amount over this. It's about 3 tablespoons. Some all-purpose Maggi all-purpose season, garlic, salt, black pepper, and guys, it's just your choice of powdered season. You want to rub this into the flesh of your chicken. You want to massage all of this flavor from the seasoning into your chicken, and you're going to allow this to marinate for about 2 hours. Now, guys, this is a barbecue thing we are gonna do, so we want a double barbecue. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but I want all the juices from my barbecue chicken to be well flavored. So after about 2 hours, I just pour a generous amount of barbecue sauce, maybe about a third cup of barbecue sauce, and I massage this into the chicken, and I put this in my baking pan. I know you're getting excited about this, guys, so why not press that subscribe button? Subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends. Let them know upon WIMS 2020 a food we're prepared. So come get your share, and the only way to get it is to subscribe. Leave your comment in the section below. Turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Pour about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over your chicken and just rub this all over and place it in an oven preheated at 400 degrees Celsius. Now, guys, this is 2 pans of chicken, and after about an hour and a half, this is what the chicken looks like. Now, guys, I'm gonna coat my chicken with barbecue sauce, and you'll soon see how I make my barbecue sauce. So just stay tuned for the rest of this video. So I'll brush this all over and then put it in the oven for about half an hour. Now, guys, you might be wondering about the time, and that's because it's 2 batches of chicken, and it takes a little bit longer time to cook than if I'm doing just 1 batch of chicken. Coat your barbecue sauce all over your chicken. Now, guys, after you're done watching this video, up on over to Instagram and follow me at WIMS 2020. Go on over to Facebook and like my page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. And make sure you like my page. I'll leave for you the food for thought today, and it comes to us from Deuteronomy 31 verse 8, and it says, "The Lord himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged." So, guys, this is well coated and it is ready to go back into the oven. I'm going to place it in the oven for about 20 minutes, guys. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to double barbecue it. Yeah, I want a double barbecue sauce to be on the chicken. That way you'll get that finger licking goodness. You'll get that thick, rich, flavorful barbecue sauce when you're eating this barbecue chicken. Guys, trust me, try it next time you're barbecuing. Do that double barbecue sauce, and trust me, you will understand what I'm talking about. I will then place this, guys, in the oven for about 20 minutes, and this is what it looks like when it is done. So now, guys, it's time to put on my second coating of barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna lay on this one thick. So guys, I'll show you how I do my barbecue sauce. So guys, I'm just gonna jazz up my barbecue sauce. So I'm using 500 grams of spicy honey barbecue sauce. To that, I've added a third cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then, guys, I'm gonna add to that a large orange juice. I squeeze it into it, fresh orange juice, about 2 tablespoons of honey. I stir that in, guys, until the sugar has dissolved from the bottom. To that, guys, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. You can't do ordinary, guys, when you're doing barbecue. You got to go all out. So I stick it in the oven on broil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Watch your chicken, guys, and just look at this. Look at this goodness all over my chicken. You can see those nice succulent barbecue pieces of chicken waiting to be devoured. Now just look at the texture, look at the color. I know your mouth must be watering for this goodness. And so, once again, guys, it's another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you, family and friends, for coming along with me today on this Jamaican cooking experience doing barbecue chicken.